Welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your trusted source for natural health and beauty tips. Today, we're focusing on a simple yet essential aspect of self-care: making your hands look pretty. Our hands are often overlooked, but they deserve some pampering too. Join me as I share professional insights and practical techniques on how to achieve beautiful hands naturally. Before we go into further methods, let's understand the importance of hand care. Our hands are exposed to various environmental factors daily, which can lead to dryness, roughness, and even premature aging. However, with the right approach, you can maintain soft, smooth, and attractive hands effortlessly. Let's start with moisturizing. Keeping your hands moisturized is key to maintaining their beauty. Opt for a nourishing hand cream with natural ingredients such as shea butter, coconut oil, or almond oil. Here's a simple method. Apply a generous amount of hand cream to your hands. Massage it in gently, paying extra attention to dry areas like the knuckles and cuticles. Reapply as needed throughout the day, especially after washing your hands. Regular moisturizing helps keep your hands soft, smooth, and youthful looking. Next up, let's talk about cuticle care. Healthy cuticles are essential for beautiful nails and hands. Cuticle oil can help nourish and moisturize the cuticles, keeping them soft and preventing hangnails. Here's how to use it. Apply a drop of cuticle oil to each nail. Gently massage the oil into the cuticles and nail beds. Repeat this process daily to maintain healthy cuticles and nails. Regular cuticle care not only enhances the appearance of your hands but also promotes nail health. Lastly, let's explore exfoliation. Exfoliating your hands helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, revealing softer and smoother skin. You can make a simple sugar scrub at home with ingredients from your kitchen. Here's how. Mix equal parts of sugar and olive oil or coconut oil to form a paste. Gently massage the scrub onto your hands in circular motions for about a minute. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and pat dry. Use this sugar scrub once or twice a week to maintain beautiful, radiant hands. Remember, consistent care is the key to maintaining beautiful hands. Incorporate these simple techniques into your daily routine, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the appearance and feel of your hands. Treat your hands with the love and care they deserve, and they'll reward you with their beauty. That wraps up today's video on how to make your hands look pretty natural. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Until next time, take care of your hands and stay beautiful.